Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Today, we will listen and practice basic English conversation between two people who are practicing English. Let's practice together. Hi Paul. Are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, Bella, let's ask each other some questions and learn.
What's your name?
My name is Paul, and you?
My name is Bella.
How old are you?
I'm 17. What about you?
I'm 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States of America. You?
Me too. I'm from New York.
What do you do?
I'm a student. Are you a student too?
Yes, I study in college.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, and yours?
I like pink.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any?
Yes, I have two sisters.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. You?
I like pasta.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing football.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English. You?
I like science.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and English. You?
Me too.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. You?
I enjoy rock music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do. My favorite movie is Coco.
I like Avengers. It's exciting.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. and you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs. You?
I eat milk and bread.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't. Do you?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your hobby?
I like painting. What about you?
I like cycling.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do. I want to visit Japan. You?
I want to go to Paris.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter. You?
I like summer.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am. You too.
Yes. That's why we are talking now.
What do you do on weekends?
I watch shows and relax. You?
I play games with my friends.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea. You?
I love coffee.
What's your favorite sport?
I like badminton.
I like cricket.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes. You?
Yes, I love it.
Can you cook?
A little bit. You?
I can make noodles and an omelette.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be an engineer. And you?
I want to be a doctor.
That was fun. We asked many questions. Let's do this again tomorrow.
Yes. We practiced 50 questions together. Sure. See you then.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.